Hello everyone, this is Abha from IGUS India and we are here at IMTEX 2015. We are speaking to one of our oldest customers for IGUS India, Mr. KP Chandar Felsomat, the Managing Director. Hello sir, and thank you for this opportunity. Before we begin, we would like to know a little more about your company.
Felsomat India is a wholly owned subsidiary of Felsomat GmbH, a German company specialized in automation and machine tools for gear manufacturing. We in India started in 2007 as a wholly owned subsidiary, started with automation, and now we have started selling the gear manufacturing machines also. You see here in our booth one gantry system here and a machine tool used for the gear manufacturing.
So any new launches that have been planned for this year or any new launch products?
The gantry systems are typically the standard but get adapted to the various applications. We just recently won a big order for the complete automation of the Honda Motorcycles Gujarat plant, where all the cylinder head, cylinder block lines, crankshaft lines will be automated with our gantry systems. And similarly, the machines also we made a beginning. We got an order for 6 big machines for one of the new greenfield gear manufacturing plant. And in all these gantry systems and machine tools, we use IGUS. Because IGUS is very, very reliable. I have more than 20 years of experience using these products. Not even once I had any problem with any of the product in the last 20 years. Many of the competitors have been approaching me saying that please use our product, but then we are trusted and we are very happy with the product, and so we don't entertain the competitors. So in fact, I have historically some link with the IGUS in the sense that I was using IGUS product even before IGUS came to India, way back in early 90s. So in fact, in one of the emos I said, why don't you come to India? There's nobody in India manufacturing these products, and that's how the whole thing has started off. So I can proudly say that I have that association before the IGUS India was started.
Exactly, so we are also proud to be associated with you and your company, and it's been a long way that we have been associated, and we look forward to be associated with you in a long run as well. Thank you so much, sir. And one more last thing I would like to ask you, any message that you would like to give to your industry people, specifically about IGUS or in general?
See, the most important thing for reliability of the machines, either in the automation or a machine tool, is how well you take care of your cabling. And I'm talking about 20-25 years, we never used to bother. That used to regularly give problems. So ever since we have started using these products, that issues of machine breakdowns because the wires are having discontinuity or the twisted or damaged, that is totally eliminated. So I'm sure the industry now is regularly using this, nothing new about it, because IGUS has been spreading the awareness well, and then other people also trying to catch up, their competitors. But I don't think they have as much market share, I'm sure, as IGUS has. I think IGUS must be having a major market share. So that's all I can say. IGUS products are reliable. If people use it, they can fit it and forget it.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. It is a pleasure being associated with you and your company. Thank you so much, sir.